Hello and welcome to the Power BI video series where I'm explaining the helpful resources in Power BI. In this video, I'll be going through, all the helpful resources that one can take help from, and it includes documentation and training videos and stuff. Today, I'll be focusing on the support section of it, where we can report and seek help from with regards to a specific issue or even report a problem. So when you open up Power BI desktop, you can go to the help menu, and under the help menu there is a support option. You can click on that, and once you click on it, it will open up a resource that will say um, that will open up the support page, where on top of it it is mentioning that where are the service outage or degradation in that, or where is some outage related to a status or something that can be done as well. So that is one thing, and the other thing is about the top issues and questions which people have asked already. And the support options, of course, we can have documentation, we can have guided learning, submission and idea and stuff in that, with regards to the reporting issue. So or if you have an issue in regards to the updation, or any sort of things that you figure out, then you can open up create a support ticket, where we can the individual support team can access and give you a reply and response accordingly. And yeah, the this is a support page, and we can go through that. We can go through the samples, we can go through the guided learnings, we can report an issue, documentation and stuff as well. So yeah, this is it for the support section in that. And yeah, um, last things, I just need to go through national clouds. If you are a national cloud customer, please see your options and other national cloud page. So this is a specific support for national cloud as well. So support is free for pro users and above. So you need to have a pro user account in order to get support ticket, which can help with resources can help you out. All right, thank you.